It's Canada Day. Stay tuned for Canadian Shave. Hey, welcome back. My name is Chris. You can search me up on Instagram or YouTube at shave_and_chat. Today I'm here for the Razor Company, also here for Canada. Yes, it's Canada's birthday today. So let's go ahead and get on with a great shave. For my shave, I'm going all Canadian made. As a matter of fact, you can call this an all-Aylsworth shave too. I'm gonna be using a soap that I picked up at the Canadian Wet Shave Meetup just a few weeks ago. I'm going in with Aylsworth Noir. It's the first time I'm using this soap as well. And I'll be lathering with the Altare brush. It has a beautiful G5C synthetic knot. And this handle is gorgeous. I'll be cutting down roughly 3 days of growth with the Apex AL and a beautiful red bottom plate. Goes with the Canadian red color, eh? And I'll be finishing off the entire shave with the Aylsworth Noir Aftershave Splash. Now, unfortunately, I don't have a Canadian fragrance, so I'm just going with strict wet shave gear for this one. Now, there's a bit of a love story when it comes to Noir. Speaking with Caleb from Aylsworth Razor, he explained that Noir was inspired by a fragrance that his girlfriend at the time, now wife, purchased for him. It was the first fragrance she had purchased for him. Now, I'll go ahead and leave it down below here, but it was inspired by this fragrance. That is good stuff right here. Let's go ahead and get the shave started with the leaf pre-shave oil. The Altare is loaded and ready to be painted on. And now I'll go ahead and load, which has become one of my favorite blades, and that is the Aylsworth blade. Sound like a broken record. This G5C knot in this Altare handle, it's a beauty. You can find the Altare handle at the Razor Company. You can also find the Apex AL at the Razor Company. You can find the Aylsworth blades at the Razor Company. You can even find this beautiful little mister at the Razor Company. I'll go ahead and leave a link down below here so you can go check them out. And while you're checking things out and you're currently watching this video, if you want to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, that would be amazing. Share this video with some of your friends. If you're Canadian, share it with your Canadian friends. We'll have a Canadian shave together. And of course, subscribe to the Razor Company. That would be amazing. Also, I know I'm giving you a lot of things to do, but hey, you're watching the video and you have some time. If you want to head over to Instagram and follow the Razor Company, every Saturday morning, 9 a.m. Eastern, they do a live shave, and during that shave, they will pull a name to win a special prize. That could be you. Wouldn't that be awesome? Now back to the shave. First pass. Here we go. That was a beautiful Canadian first pass. Let's go ahead and get on with that second one. Let's go with this great Canadian second pass. Okay, so second pass is done. I'm not sure if I ran over a little pimple right here. It's feeling a little stingy. Other than that, it's feeling nice. But you know I gotta go in for my third pass. So sit tight and get ready for that great Canadian third pass. Here we go. Okay, third pass. Let's do it. I am smooth everywhere. All right, guys, let me go ahead, wash off the rest of the soap, and I'll finish off the rest of the shave. Hold tight. Parker's Allen block. One thing I noticed when I was going against the grain, I was a little too aggressive. I could definitely feel a lot of that stinging right here in the center of my neck. And I do think I got a pimple. So I'll go ahead and place the alum block over the pimple area, and this will help heal it, if you will. Do you use an alum block? Leave it down in the comments. Do you use the alum block all the time? Do you use it once in a while? Do you use it only if you get a nick or you feel some irritation? Let's go in with some Thayers. Now let's go ahead and finish off the entire shave with Aylsworth Noir Aftershave Splash. Oh, this smells so good. Well, there you have it, guys. Shave is done. Face feels really good. It smells terrific in here. Just an all-around great Canadian shave. Happy birthday, Canada. And on that note, my name is Chris, here for the Razor Company. You make it a great shave, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.